Stuff like that now. I always just have a softening note on it. It's one nothing here. I'm back. Hospital. Just, what? Oh my god. See the trains. Anyway, we're talking about John Cena. Right? No. It says John Cena is disrespecting him because of this t-shirt right here. The anti-Cena shirt. Now I would get that because you know me, I don't like John Cena, so let's see what the tweet option, the link option. I like that actually. I pressed link. Yes, I did. New series of the new series nothing about that. We I think we do some what we can continue. And this is the let's go see sucks. And there we are. So I'm talking about John Cena, right? I've liked that. I'm actually going to tweet that now. I don't care what that says. We want to talk. Right, instant here. Oh, but ooh. There we go. See this new anti-John Cena shot. Right. So John Cena is still the just more. Let's have a look at the description. John Cena commented that more students still using their anti-Cena t-shirts. There are 40,000 stores in it and told them no things. I don't care. What? That John Cena doesn't care. Then why is he knowing everything in the first place? Agreed. But WTF. Not no longer. So for me, like, it should be able to voice their opinion. Like I said, it doesn't change me one bit. Still true, always have, always will. Alright. Another fact, last year when WWE got released anti-The Rock t-shirts, that's not gonna happen. And I can tell you right now, that would never happen. That's it. So, now that's what I'm talking about, right? That's John Cena doesn't really. That's what John Cena's like on the outside. That's not what John Cena's like on the inside and the outside. Shoutouts. Now shoutouts. Hope you've enjoyed this. 619 Masterman 8.